In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT within Figma using the ChatGPT Figma plugin. Whether you're a designer looking to streamline your workflow or just curious about integrating AI tools into your design process, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get you set up with this fantastic plugin. First up, head over to Figma's website, which is a user-friendly platform perfect for collaborative interface design. If you haven't already, open your preferred browser and type in Figma's URL. This is where all the magic begins. Now, once you're on the website, locate the login button on the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account. If you're new to Figma, you'll need to create an account first, which is pretty straightforward. Just follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page. This is your main dashboard where you'll find all your recent projects and drafts. From here, you'll want to click on the Design tab, which will direct you toward your working files and any designs in progress. This tab is an essential part of your workspace in Figma, as it's where all your creative ideas come to life. Now, while you're in the Design section, you'll need to locate the Action menu. This is usually found on the interface and is key to accessing various tools and plugins available in Figma. When you find Action, click on it. This will allow you to perform tasks that enhance your design processes, such as installing new plugins. Next, we'll be searching for the ChatGPT plugin. In the Action menu, you'll find a search field. Type in ChatGPT and hit enter. The search results will show you various options related to ChatGPT, but we're interested in the simple ChatGPT plugin. Once you see it on the list, click on it to learn more about what it can do for you. Now that you've found the simple ChatGPT plugin, all that's left is to run it. You'll notice a button that says Run. Simply click on that and you'll activate the plugin within your Figma workspace. This tool will now be ready to assist you with generating text, ideas, and more directly within your design projects. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated ChatGPT into Figma using the ChatGPT Figma plugin. Remember, this tool is designed to enhance your design experience, offering suggestions, generating text, and even helping you brainstorm ideas during those creative blocks. Feel free to explore its features and see how it can best serve your design needs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!